Hello everyone. Today it's indeed inspiring to talk about the terminologies used in game theory. So if you haven't watched yet our previous video which was related to the introduction of game theory, I have provided with the link in the description box. You can go over there and watch it. Starting with the terminologies, game. Game is any set of circumstances that has a result on the basis of decisions taken by the decision makers that are also known as players. Now, what are players? Players are any strategic decision makers who take decisions to get the best outcomes and the maximum payoff. Here, what do we mean by strategy? Strategy is a complete plan of action that a player takes to get the best outcomes and maximum payoff. What is payoff? Payoff is basically the payout each player gets according to their individual contributions in the game. Here we have information set. What is information set? It is basically an information at a particular point of time. Let us understand this again with an example of the game of cricket. So cricket itself is a game, and the players in it like batsman, bowler and wicketkeeper are the strategic decision makers which are called as players. They take strategies like the batsman decides how many runs he should score so that he can make his team win. These are some of the strategies. When we talk about the payoff, we have man of the match award, orange cap, purple cap. These are the payoffs player get based on their individual contributions in the game. Information set is basically any scoreboard that we have in a game of cricket. Thank you.
If you liked our video and would like to recommend it to your friends, please like, share and subscribe to Indeed Inspiring Infotech. We would also love to hear your suggestions and feedback in the comment section below.